Lakshmi Card Clothing is always a symbol of innovation and evolutionary technology. Lakshmi Card Clothing is a global leader in providing complete cardroom solutions since our inception in 1960. Headquartered in Coimbatore, India's most eminent textile hub, the strategic location uniquely positions the capabilities of the company in shrewd markets across the world. LCC eventually spread its horizons into production of new innovations, and its global stature earned LCC an EN ISO 9001-2008 certification. In all the years between, LCC's focus has been in retaining the best of quality and high standards, which have embarked our leadership abilities in the world of cardroom technology. Lakshmi Card Clothing. The power to deliver. The courage to stand tall. And the strength to conquer challenges. Leader by nature. Like a true leader, LCC strengthens its market visibility with cutting-edge solutions in cardroom technology. LCC has always led the market globally with the power of technology to deliver top-notch carding solutions. In addition to the excellence of the R&D team, the innovative cell came up with new inventions, and that has served to the best and finest of quality. The sales team adds to the credibility of the LCC group, where they strive for commitment and workmanship. LCC is undoubtedly the forefront of complete cardroom technology. The card clothing of diverse varieties, having specific applications with special shapes, high precision, dimensional uniformity, optimal physical properties and high wear resistance designing and development are done here. Amidst being the global supplier of cardroom technology, LCC is OEM supplier for Lakshmi Machine Works. Over the years, the demand for high and super high production cards have been on the rise since the operation of low production cards have become uneconomical. With continuous market research and a deep-rooted belief in quality assurance, we have developed exceedingly innovative card clothing for high and super high production cards, and also enhanced the life of clothing for lesser stoppage time. LCC is staying focused and is busy expanding its capacity. This has also enabled the company to scale new heights of acceptance with its new innovation. Evolve 2X. Built to perform and designed to perfection, Evolve 2X with Spark Finish takes up the next evolving stage of carding with up-to-date technology. The Evolve 2X, with its patented design complemented by technology, LCC brings about an evolution in cotton processing. The Evolve 2X provides consistent quality and is perfectly designed to withstand intense wear and tear conditions, making it a true evolution in carding technology. Evolve 2X comes with cylinder wires, doffer wires and flat tops. Cubex Spark also adds to the list of innovations, which is a revolution that will define the way cotton is processed. Cubex Spark also comes with cylinder wires, doffer wires and flat tops. The next in the list is the Cutty Sharp 2. It owns all the strength and wear resistance ability for synthetic application for latest generation cards. It holds record for undiminished quality and consistency through the lifespan. LCC also manufactures complete range of card service machines to meet the growing demands of latest cards. LCC has also strengthened its network in the replacement market, particularly in the area of after-sales service, to obtain a competitive edge. In the replacement market, with large customers who have tried our clothing on other OEM machines and found it to be a more cost-effective solution. Our biggest strength is our service network across all major markets. LCC's customer service is not just about attending when there is a catastrophe, but is also about confirming that the mills get the precise quality of information, service and support. Our ardent efforts and commitment to deliver the best quality along with innovations has set a benchmark in the market. With an eye on the future and roots in its past, LCC continues to be a symbol of innovation and evolutionary technology. LCC, the leader by nature.